So for today, I'm going to teach you on how to use whiteboard in Google Meet. So first, you need to access your Google Meet on your web browser, which is on Google. Just type in meet.google.com. And once you're in, just simply create a meeting or join a meeting if you have a current meeting available. And once you're in, you will see this page and you just have to click on the nine dots located at the bottom right corner. Once you click on that, just scroll down until you see the Figma because whiteboard or Jamboard is no longer includes in built-in whiteboard feature, which is change the follows discontinuation of Google Jamboard, which is it ended last December 31, 2024 across all platforms. So you just have to install or add the Figma as add-ons, and after that you just have to click on Figma and click the create Fig Jam file for you to able to create or use the Jamboard or whiteboard rather, and that's how you use a whiteboard in Google Meet.